Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yage here. Today I am making this plate of deliciousness. This French toast is insane. Stay tuned and find out exactly how I made it. Okay guys, we need some bread, fresh milk, butter, eggs, cinnamon, sugar and some berries. Let's get cooking. I've just got some bowl out and I am just pouring in 1 egg in there and just whisking it a tad. I like to use a wide bowl so I can put my bread in nicely. And now I'm just pouring in some milk and just stirring it again, well, whisking it really. I hate when my French toast or anything is eggy. I don't like when something tastes too eggy, so I like it a little bit diluted. Okay, I'm just going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we just whisk it in again. Okay, I'm just adding in another tablespoon of sugar because I love it very sweet. I love it, yeah, because I love it very sweet. So I've just added in a bit of sugar again. So what I'm doing is I've just pulled my pan onto the hob and then just adding in a nub of butter. Allow that to melt for about 30 seconds. I don't like to use oil. Obviously some people do like to use oil, but I like it nice and rich, so I love to use butter to make my French toast. Okay, I'm just obviously moving it around so you can combine and cover it properly. And now I'm just going to add in my bread. I just literally put it in quickly. I don't dip it in for too long, and then start frying. Okay, you can see on the sides it's bubbling over a little bit. Okay, it takes about 30 seconds for all the bubbling to settle. And obviously when it's done, we'll flip it over onto the other side. Look at that, it's cooking nicely. Okay, so I'm just going to flip it over. So with this method, it makes your French toast nice and crispy on the outside and the inside is still nice and soft. Oh my goodness guys, look at that. You can use whatever bread you want. Some people use like a brioche bread, which makes it even extra sweet. Okay, but blue bread, it's got a nice crust in it, perfect. So what I'm doing now is just serving it, and I'm just showing you how beautiful and colourful it's going to look. Yeah, so we're going to add in some syrup, which I've just put all over to glaze it, and now I'm just adding in some berries, including some strawberries as well. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. If you have, do not forget to give it a nice thumbs up, and if you have enjoyed this fabulous family, please do so. And if you have any questions for me, or if there's anything you want me to make, please comment below, and I will see you on my next video. So do stay tuned and stay sweet. Bye.